Hello and welcome to our lesson on latent heat. Latent heat is the energy or heat that is involved in changing the phase of a substance. In the atmosphere, we're generally talking about water. So solid, ice, liquid water, or water vapor are all different phases of water in the atmosphere. And moving between these phases, for instance, ice melting and turning into liquid, requires an interaction of energy. So in the case of ice to liquid, melting takes energy from the atmosphere. Basically, heat or energy is taken from the atmosphere to melt ice or to evaporate water and turn it into vapor. Going in the opposite direction, through condensation to liquid or freezing to a solid, gives energy back to the environment. You can skip steps. You can go directly from vapor to ice or ice to vapor, and you can see on this they're referred to as deposition for vapor to ice and sublimation to go from ice to water vapor. And we'll talk about those more later in the course. You can prove the interaction here to yourself with a simple experiment to going from ice to liquid. Take a glass of ice water, leave it out. What's happening is the energy is trying to warm it up, but it instead is going to break down the bonds of ice to melt it. After the ice is all melted, then the water will increase to room temperature. But before that, all that energy is going into latent heat of melting.